Hey everyone, it's Kristy from Toastess. Welcome back again, and today we are going to be celebrating Halloween and the fall season with something that's really kind of cool to me because I grew up with an October birthday and my parents always threw a big Halloween themed birthday party for me, including candy corn and peanuts. So today we are going to be making a really fancy but easy to do candy corn cocktail for your Halloween season or the party. So let's have a toast together. I'll show you how easy it is to make. All right, see how simple that was to make this really amazing candy corn cocktail for your holiday party for Halloween. And I'm pairing it here with an OG, Toast OG, a little bit of candy corn and peanut charcuterie. So cheers to you and have a wonderful holiday. Just like when I was a kid.